This built-in electric single oven from AEG is ideal if you're looking for a model which is easy to clean and helps you create amazing dishes. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a defrost and turbo grilling setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. AEG's fantastic plus steam function uses steam to cook your food to perfection. Once water has been added to the cavity in the base of the oven, simply select the hot air button followed by the plus steam button. When your ideal temperature has been reached, the water evaporates and steam circulates the cavity. This adds moisture to your food for amazing results. So, your Sunday roast meat will always be deliciously succulent, and that homemade bread will have a tasty golden crust. This model's incredible Aqua Clean feature uses powerful steam to leave your oven spotless. Simply add water to the bottom of the oven and select the True Fan cooking and plus steam functions. Then set the temperature to 90 degrees. As the oven heats up, the water will turn to steam. This effectively loosens any dried-on food, which can then be wiped away with a cloth, meaning your oven will be sparkling clean and ready for you to cook up your next delicious creation. If you're looking for a model which is easy to clean and helps you create amazing dishes, this built-in electric single oven from AEG is an excellent choice.